Hi there. Welcome to Money Goals Mastery. Today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide to earning money online without spending a single penny. Yes, you heard that right, no investment needed. Whether you're a student, a stay at home parent, or just someone looking for a side hustle, this video is perfect for you. The internet is a goldmine of opportunities, and there are so many ways to make money online without having to pay for courses, software, or fancy equipment. You just need your time, skills, and dedication. In this video, I'll break everything down into simple and easy steps so you can get started today. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a powerful bonus tip that can multiply your earnings in no time. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's dive into the world of online earning opportunities. Section 1, Freelancing. Let's start with freelancing, one of the easiest and most flexible ways to earn money online without investment. What is freelancing? Freelancing means working for someone on a project or task without being tied to a long term contract. You work from home, set your own hours, and get paid for your work. Now, you might be wondering, what if I don't have any special skills? Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional coder or designer to start freelancing. There are tons of simple skills you can learn for free or already have, like writing and editing. If you enjoy writing, you can offer services like blog writing, proofreading, or ghostwriting. Social media management. If you're good at Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can help small businesses manage their accounts. Graphic design. Even if you're not a designer, you can use free tools like Canva to create simple graphics, posters, and presentations. Virtual assistants help businesses with tasks like data entry, email management, or scheduling meetings. Where to start freelancing? Here are some platforms you can join for free. Upwork, great for beginners and professionals alike. Fiverr offers services starting at $5. Freelancer, a global platform with various job categories. How to stand out? Create a profile that highlights your strengths. Start with smaller jobs to build a reputation. Ask for reviews from your clients. Freelancing might seem competitive at first, but stay consistent. Once you get your first client, things get much easier. Section 2, Content Creation. The next way to earn money online is by becoming a content creator. What is content creation? Content creation means producing videos, blogs, or other media to educate, entertain, or inform people. In return, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and more. Start a YouTube channel. If you enjoy teaching, storytelling, or reviewing products, YouTube is perfect for you. Don't want to show your face? No problem. You can create videos using animations, stock footage, or even screen recordings. How do you earn? Through ad revenue, sponsored videos, and affiliate marketing. Choose trending topics like how-to guides, tech reviews, or AI tools. Consistency is key. Write blogs. Love writing. Start a free blog using platforms like WordPress or Medium. Write about topics you're passionate about like fitness, travel, or personal finance. How do you earn? That's affiliate marketing and selling your own ebooks or courses. Podcasting. Podcasts are growing fast. You can talk about anything you love: movies, self-help, or even news. Platforms like Spotify and Anchor let you upload for free. How do you earn? Sponsorships and listener donations. Section 3, Affiliate Marketing. Next up is affiliate marketing, a simple way to make passive income. What is affiliate marketing? You earn money by promoting other people's products. When someone buys a product through your special link, you get a commission. How to start affiliate marketing? Join free affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Sale, ClickBank. Choose products that match your interests. For example, promote fitness equipment if you love working out. Promote cooking tools if you're into recipes. Where do you share your links? Your blog, YouTube videos, social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. Affiliate marketing takes time, but once you build a following, it can become a great source of passive income. Section 4, Online Service and Testing Website. Yes, do you want something super easy? Try online service or testing websites. Many companies pay you to share your opinions or test their apps and websites. Where to sign up? Soapbox, SurveyJunkie, UserTesting.com. What do you do? Answer questions about products or services, test how apps or websites work, and give feedback. How much can you earn? Surveys usually pay between $1 to $10. Testing websites can pay up to $20 for a 20-minute session. It's a simple way to make extra cash in your free time. Section 5, Selling Digital Produce CTS. Have you ever created something and thought, I wish I could sell this? Well, you can. Selling digital products is a great way to earn money without investment. What are digital products? Ebooks, online courses, printables like planners or coloring books, stock photos or music. How do you sell them? Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. Create your product once and sell it over and over again. Examples: if you're good at cooking, write a recipe book. If you're an artist, create a digital art or design templates. Use free tools like Canva to design your products. It's user-friendly and doesn't cost a dime. Section 6, Microjobs and Task WB Sites. Another easy way to earn money is by doing microjobs. What are micro jobs? These are small, simple tasks that companies pay you to do. Examples include transcribing audio, categorizing images, data entry. Where to find these jobs? Amazon Mechanical Turk Click Worker remote tasks. The best part? You can work anytime from anywhere and earn as much as you want. Bonus TIP, leveraging AI tools. Now, here's a secret tip for November 2024. AI tools have changed the game. You can use them to work smarter, not harder. What AI tools? ChatGPT, use it to write blogs, emails, or social media captions. Canva AI, create designs in minutes. Runway AI, edit videos with ease. How to earn with AI tools. Offer services like content writing, graphic design, or video editing, save time and handle multiple clients at once. AI tools make online earning faster and easier. Don't miss out on this trend. And that's it. These are the best ways to earn money online without any investment as of November 2024. Let's recap: freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, online surveys, selling digital products, micro jobs. Now it's your turn. Pick one method, start small, and stay consistent. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. With effort and dedication, you can achieve our goals. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips like this. Comment below and tell me which method are you excited to try first. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.